Hello guys, welcome to this webinar. This is going to be a very short webinar and we have a lot of people from joining in from all over the world. The webinar capacity is 1,000 people right now and we have about 1,000 people. So if you leave the webinar, I can assure you, you'll not be able to come back. So please pay attention, put away all the distractions. This is going to be a very short webinar. I'm just going to go directly into the material and I'll give you the step by step on what you need to do to start generating those free leads and sales that you guys have been asking me for the last several months. The last webinar we had talked about how you can use paid ads to generate leads and sales unlimited. So today I'm going to show you a free way that you can use to transform your Facebook profile into becoming an ultimate, unlimited lead machine, lead generation machine. So now, before I proceed into the material, I'd like to recognize some people on here. We have Johannes from Sydney, Australia. Hi, Johannes. We have Marcella from California. We have Mr. Baker from New York. We have Scott from London. How are you, Scott? London, UK. We have Francis from Berlin, Germany. We have Hong Hong from South Korea, Seoul, South Korea. How are you, Hong Hong? We have Tajimoto from Tokyo, Japan. Welcome, sir. We have Romero from Rio in Brazil, Rio de Janeiro. How are you, sir? We have Marie from Toronto, Canada. How are you, Marie? We have Marcelo from Spain, Madrid, Spain. How are you? How are you, sir? How are you doing? All right. We have Mario, who is calling in from Miami, Florida. And then there are many, many other people on here, so I can't mention everything. We have Olubakale from Lagos, Nigeria. How are you? We have Constance from Cape Town, South Africa. Now, if you're on here, and of course I didn't mention your name, there's a lot of people here. I cannot mention all your names. So what is going to happen is, please feel appreciated and just give me a 1 on the chat box if you are ready to learn how to transform your Facebook profile into a limited lead generation machine for free. All right. Okay, guys. So click the link below if you have not gone to this page. Now, once you're on this page, you can get your free Facebook leads media machine for free. Okay. You can get it for close to free. Actually, let me say that it's not free, for close for free. Okay. It's like nothing really, less than a cup of coffee. Okay, less than a cup of coffee, a good cup of coffee, you can get this lead machine. Okay, and it's going to show you step by step how you can transform your Facebook profile into a continuous lead generation machine 24/7. This will be working for you by you doing just the things that you do every day on your cell phone, okay, or on your laptop, and you can be able to start sending people to your profile, and from there they can become your leads, and eventually you can get sales. For example, let's say you are a dentist in Denver, Colorado, okay? On your business profile or on your profile as a dentist, you can say, hey, get a free dental checkup. Click here or find out how. And they click a link where they can book an appointment with you. And once they come in for the free dental cleaning, which probably would have cost you like, let's say $150, you can upsell them while they're on the dental chair and you're doing the free. You can find out that they need a root canal, they need x-rays, they need alignments, or they need they need Invisalign, they need braces, or they need veneers. I mean, you can upsell from $150 that you're giving for free to thousands of dollars. And these are people going to become your clients, repeat clients. And they probably have a family. They're going to bring their family to you. So you see what we are talking about? You're giving out something for free, something of value in the beginning for free. And these people, you transform them into sales. Okay. So let's say you're a yoga owner, okay, or a yoga specialist. You can say, okay, get a free yoga mat. Okay. And you send people who are interested in yoga, okay, from Facebook. You know, Facebook has 1 billion users, over 2 billion people on Facebook. So you target a group of people that like yoga, for example, and say, hey, get a free yoga mat. And they click here to find out how. So while they book an appointment with you. You tell them, okay, they need to come in for a free yoga class with you, and you give them a free yoga mat. So when they come to your studio or wherever, you upsell them for membership, yoga membership. That's gonna be years and years, a year or 2 or 3. So, and you give them the free yoga mat once they sign up for the membership. And you see, these are people who are gonna be repeat buyers. They're gonna be repeat customers month by month by month. So by spending just $30 yoga mat for free, giving it up for free, something of value, these people are gonna be changed into a sales machine. Now, but you have to know how to transform what words, what sales. You gotta know how to transform. I'm gonna show you an example of one of my clients, how I was able to transform the Facebook profile, and now they're generating thousands upon thousands of leads for free every day, and they're making boku sales out of these people. Let me just go there and quickly show you what I'm talking about. You see this guy here? This is what we did. We said, recreate your Facebook profile to generate unlimited free leads and sales. Okay? Works for any business. Get started. Okay? So we have branded this guy's profile, Facebook profile, with all this issue of generating free leads. So who is he targeting? This guy is targeting business people like you on this call. People who want free leads. So you click here and you see what it does. It opens right there. Okay. So they click this link and they're taken to that page right here. They come to this page where you are on here, and they go in and fill their information, and they claim the special offer that is offering here. So all these free leads coming for free just by him transforming his Facebook profile. So you can also do that. And so go ahead, get your blueprint, your Facebook sales machine right there. Go ahead and get this Facebook leads and sales media machine for that 1 cup of coffee. Okay, go ahead and get it and follow the steps one by one, and you'll be able to be also generating the leads and sales that you need. Hey, I wanted to keep this very short and sweet, so I'm just going to end it here. There's a lot of questions on the chat box, and keep putting on your questions there, and I'll go and answer your questions. So somebody's asking here, this is Scott. Scott is asking, how quickly can this be delivered? Well, this is online. It's a download, okay? Once you click and purchase it, you're going to have immediate access to the step-by-step, okay? All right. Any other questions, please put them in the chat box, and I'll be right with you. Thank you very much, guys, and have a good night. Thank you. Good night.